Theta value equivalent to $0.6170 a coin. The present reach: $0.6133, $0.6241. The earlier day close: $0.6209. The change was 0.0039, 0.63%. Reverse rate: United States dollars to Theta. Theta value expectation for 2023, 2024, 2025, 2020. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 59 cents, change for October 9.2%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for November 2023. Before all else cost at $0.59. Most extreme cost 67 cents, least cost 52 cents. The normal for the month 59 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 56 cents, change for November 5.1%. Theta cost expectation for December 2023. To start with cost at $0.56. Greatest cost 63 cents, least cost 55 cents. The normal for the month 58 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 59 cents, change for December 5.4%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for January 2024. In the first place cost at $0.59. Greatest cost 59 cents, least cost 47 cents. The normal for the month 54 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 50 cents, change for January 15.3%. Theta cost expectation for February 2024. To start with cost at $0.50. Most extreme cost 58 cents, least cost 50 cents. The normal for the month 53 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 54 cents, change for February 8.0%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2024. At the outset cost at $0.54. Most extreme cost 54 cents, least cost 44 cents. The normal for the month 50 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 47 cents, change for spring 13.0%. Theta cost expectation for April 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.47. Greatest cost 47 cents, least cost 37 cents. The normal for the month 43 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 40 cents, change for April 14.9%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for May 2024. To start with cost at $0.40. Most extreme cost 41 cents, least cost 35 cents. The normal for the month 39 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 38 cents, change for May 5.0%. Theta cost expectation for June 2024. Initially cost at $0.38. Most extreme cost 38 cents, least cost 33 cents. The normal for the month 36 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 35 cents, change for June 7.9%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for July 2024. At the outset cost at $0.35. Most extreme cost 41 cents, least cost 35 cents. The normal for the month 37 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 38 cents, change for July 8.6%. Theta cost expectation for August 2024. First and foremost cost at $0.38. Greatest cost 47 cents, least cost 38 cents. The normal for the month 42 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 44 cents, change for August 15.8%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for September 2024. In the first place cost at $0.44. Most extreme cost 44 cents, least cost 34 cents. The normal for the month 40 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 37 cents, change for September 15.9%. Theta cost expectation for October 2024. Initially cost at $0.37. Most extreme cost 37 cents, least cost 29 cents. The normal for the month 34 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 31 cents, change for October 16.2%. Theta cost expectation for December 2025. At the outset cost at $0.21. Most extreme cost 21 cents, least cost 17 cents. The normal for the month 19 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 18 cents, change for December 14.3%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for January 2026. To start with cost at $0.18. Greatest cost 21 cents, least cost 18 cents. The normal for the month 19 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 20 cents, change for January 11.1%. Theta cost expectation for February 2026. In the first place cost at $0.20. Greatest cost 20 cents, least cost 17 cents. The normal for the month 19 cents. Theta cost figure toward the month's end 18 cents, change for February 10.0%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for WAC 2026. Before all else cost at $0.18. Most extreme cost 18 cents, least cost 16 cents. The normal for the month 17 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 17 cents, change for spring 5.6%. Theta cost expectation for April 2026. At the outset cost at $0.17. Most extreme cost 18 cents, least cost 16 cents. The normal for the month 17 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 17 cents, change for April 0.0%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for May 2026. In the first place cost at $0.17. Greatest cost 21 cents, least cost 17 cents. The normal for the month 19 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 20 cents, change for May 17.6%. Theta cost expectation for June 2026. Before all else cost at $0.20. Greatest cost 25 cents, least cost 20 cents. The normal for the month 22 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 23 cents, change for June 15.0%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for July 2026. In the first place cost at $0.23. Greatest cost 29 cents, least cost 23 cents. The normal for the month 26 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 27 cents, change for July 17.4%. Theta cost expectation for August 2026. Initially cost at $0.27. Most extreme cost 27 cents, least cost 23 cents. The normal for the month 26 cents. Theta cost gauge toward the month's end 25 cents, change for August 7.4%. Theta to United States dollars expectations for September 2026. In the first place cost at $0.25. Greatest cost 28 cents, least cost 24 cents. The normal for the month 26 cents. Theta cost estimate toward the month's end 26 cents, change for September 4.0%. Theta cost expectation for October 2026. First and foremost cost at $0.26. Greatest cost 32 cents, least cost 26 cents. The normal for the month 29 cents. Theta cost conjecture toward the month's end 30 cents, change for October 15.4%.